Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the ISO settings on your Sony ZV-1 camera. And to do this you'll need to click on the button right here, that's a wheel, and it needs to be clicked in that side. Then the ISO should show up and you can adjust it. Also, if you want to change it, there's an option in the menu, so click on menu. Right here, navigate to the image quality, that's the first setting, and go to the page number 7. There's ISO, and here you can adjust it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.